Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Audrey here. You all know I purchased Hoya because of their beautiful foliage. So in today's video, I'm going to show you my top 5 favorite Hoya because of their foliage. First, I'm going to start this video with this beautiful Hoya Velvet Gray. You all know how much I love this Hoya because of the foliage. I love the different marks on those foliage. Each individual leaf has its own pattern, and look at the whites on those things. So beautiful. Second is this Fishtail Hoya. I love the beautifulness on this Hoya because of the shapes of the leaf and the veining on the leaf. It truly feels like a fishtail. And this new leaf coming up is really beautiful, and the way it's growing is really like a, mermaid's fishtail. So yeah, this is definitely one of my favorite Hoya because of the foliage on the Hoya. Definitely this Onna variegated. You all know how much I love this Hoya. It's an easy Hoya, and the foliage on this plant is just such a beautiful one. I did have trouble with this Hoya earlier this year when I tried to kill the minibug. I don't think this Hoya loved my strong alcohol spray trying to kill the minibug. So yes, I had to grow this one from cutting again, but I think this one will start to catch up on the growth pretty quick. It's always an easy Hoya for me since I got this one. So yes, I'm just going to regrow this one. Next is this Hoya Chispatada. It's my new Hoya. It definitely does not grow like a new Hoya. It's already started to wrap around this new trellis. So yeah, but look at this leaf. It's so beautiful. A lot of veining on those leaves. It's such a beautiful Hoya. Last, this Hoya Concoso. It's really hard to pick the last one because a lot of my Hoya probably have a more beautiful foliage than this one. The only reasons I picked this one is because this foliage reminds me of fall when the leaves start changing color. Of course, mine is a green color. I have not yet have a sundress on this Hoya. So they all look green, but I saw some sun-stressed leaves on this types of Hoya, and it looks so beautiful. It just reminds me of fall, so I have to pick this one. It's also a new Hoya to me, and of course this one already started to grow. You can see all the new growth on this one. So yes, this will be my number 5 favorite Hoya because of their foliage. So those are my top 5 favorite Hoya because of foliage. But of course, as you can see, there's a lot of Hoya in my collection that has beautiful foliage, and it's really hard to pick top 5. But I do love all my Hoyas. I hope you all enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Happy growing!